Good morning all of you. In the last class we have completed the quantity calculation of brickwork in foundation and plinth of a multi-room building using long wall and short wall method. And today we are going for the calculation of next item of work, that is DPC 2.5 cm thick cement concrete damp proof course. Okay. So for this, first we will move to the details of measurement form. So here write down under particulars of item 2.5 cm damp proof course. So first we will go for the first part, that is drawing room and left bedroom. So first we will consider the first part of the building, that is this one. Okay, drawing room and left hand side bedroom. Okay, so for this then we will move to the cross sectional diagram. So for this part we will consider the cross section of main wall. You can see here this is written that 2.5 cm DPC, and you know this DPC is a square meter item. Okay, and it is done and it is prepared above the plinth wall. So its width will be equal to the width of the plinth wall. So here the width of DPC will be 0.4 meter. Okay. Then first in this part we will first calculate for the long wall. Okay. So this length of the DPC along long wall will be equal to how much? So for that we need the center to center length of long wall. Okay. So first, what is the center to center length of long wall? So see here, the center to center length of long wall, first part is drawing and left hand side bedroom. So center to center length of long wall is 10.6 meter. Okay. So with the center to center length of long wall, we have to add half of the width of the DPC on both the side. So this center to center length of long wall is 10.6. So with 10.6 we will add 0.4 by 2 plus 0.4 by 2. This is the length. Okay, and breadth is equal to breadth of the plinth wall. Now we will move to the details of measurement form. So here you can see long wall and there are two numbers of long wall. Length is equal to, in the remark column write down center to center length is 10.6. With that we will add half of the width of the plinth wall on both the sides. That means one width of plinth wall. So length becomes 11, breadth is 0.4. Then by multiplying these three we will get the quantity as 8.80 square meter. Okay. So next we will move to the short wall. The center to center length of short wall is 5.3 meter. Okay. So in this part these three are the short wall. So the length of DPC along short wall will become center to center length of short wall. From that we have to subtract half of the width from both the side. Okay. So center to center length of short short wall is 5.3. So this is equal to 5.3 minus 0.4. Clear? Because 0.4 by 2, we have to subtract half of the width from both the sides. That means 1 width. Clear? So this is the length. Okay. Now we will move to the details of measurement form. Short wall is 3, number is 3. Length is 5.3 minus 0.4, that is 4.9. Width is 0.4. Then by multiplying these 3, we will get the quantity as 5.88 square meter. Next, we will move to the second part, that is bedroom, combined bedroom. So first we will go for the long wall of the second part. So for the second part, that is bedroom, combined center to center length of long wall is 9.6. Okay. 9.6. So this is the second part. Okay. And these two are the long wall for the second part. So in order to get the length of the DPC along long wall, so this will be equal to center to center length of long wall. So see here, this long wall, these two are the long wall, and these long wall are the this side of this long wall has already been completed under first part. Okay. Therefore, this portion is to be deducted. So from the center to center length of the long wall, we have to subtract half of the width of the DPC from one side, as this work has already been completed, and we have to add half of the width of the DPC for this portion. Clear? So the center to center length of the long wall is 9.6. So from 9.6 we have to subtract half of the width of the DPC, that is 0.4 by 2, and add half of the width of the DPC. Clear? So this is about the length calculation of long wall. And here breadth is also equal to 0.4, as this wall is of 30 centimeter width. Clear? Then we will move to the details of measurement form. Here the long wall, number of long wall is 2, and in the remark column, see 9.6 is the center to center length. From that we have to subtract 0.4 by 2 and add 0.4 by 2. Okay. So the resultant length will become 9.6, breadth is 0.4. By multiplying these 3, we will get the quantity as 7.68 square meter. Okay. Then we will move to the short wall. So see, center to center length of the short wall for the second part is 4.80 meter. Okay. So for this, these two are the short wall. Okay. So in order to get the length along short wall, from the center to center length of short wall, we have to subtract half of the width of the DPC from both the sides. Clear? So see, short wall number is not 3, this is 2. Okay, because already the left wall, the left side wall has already been taken under first part. So this will be equal to 2. The center to center length is 4.8. So in the remark column, write down 4.8 minus 0.4, that is 4.4. Width is 0.4. Then by multiplying these 3, we will get the quantity as 3.52 square meter. Okay. So next we will go for the calculation of DPC for the veranda pillars. So next is veranda pillars. So next one is veranda pillars. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers of pillar. And the size of the pillar, you can see here, it is written as 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Okay, so this is the size of the pillar. On this side it is 40 and on the other side it is 20. And the DPC will be provided 5 centimeter extra on all the side. Okay, so the DPC will be provided like this. Okay, so as 5 centimeter is provided on all the side, so this will become 50, and in this side and on this side it will become 30 centimeter. So size of the DPC will be 50 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Okay, and you can see these portions, this dotted line, at these portions there will be no DPC as there is no superstructure work. Therefore, we are not going to provide DPC in this dotted portion. Okay, so now we will move to the details of measurement form. In details of measurement form, write down veranda pillars. 4, length is 0.5, breadth is 0.3, 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So 0.5 meter, 0.3 meter. Remark column, write down 5 centimeter extra on all sides. Then by multiplying all these three, we will get the quantity as 0.6 square meter. Then we will move to the bathroom, that is on the back side of the building. Okay, so then we will go for calculation of bathroom. Then the next work is this DPC under this bathroom wall. So this bathroom, the total bathroom, there are 3 numbers of wall. These 2 side wall and 1 rear wall. So first we will go for the calculation of rear wall, that means back side wall. Rear wall. Okay, so for calculation of this rear wall, we have to go for the cross sectional details. So this is the cross sectional detail of 20 centimeter wall. As the bathroom wall is consisting of 20 centimeter wall, so we will refer this, we will refer this 20 centimeter cross section. So here you can see, here the plinth wall is this portion. So the width of the plinth wall here is 30 centimeter. Therefore, the width of the DPC will become 0.3 meter for the 20 centimeter wall. Okay. Okay. Then the center to center length of rear wall. The center to center length of rear wall will become, the center to center length of rear wall will be 2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, so 2.2 meter. So center to center length of this wall is 2.20 meter. Clear? Okay. Then in order to get the length of the DPC, so with the center to center length, we have to add half of the width of the DPC for both the side, and on both sides there are 20 centimeter wall. So width of DPC will be 0.3. So on both sides add 0.3 by 2 with the center to center length. Clear? So center to center length is 2.2. So with this 2.2 we will add 0.3. So this will become 2.5. Okay. Then we will move to the details of measurement form. So here rear wall number is 1. Length will become, center to center length is 2.2. With this we will add half of the width of the plinth wall on both sides. So length will become 2.5, breadth is 0.3. This is the breadth of the plinth wall of the 20 centimeter wall. Then by multiplying these three we will get the quantity as 0.75 square meter. Next we will move to the short wall. So now the turn is for these two short wall. So the center to center length of short wall of this bathroom has already been calculated. So back veranda including bathroom, center to center length of short wall is 2.75 meter. Okay. So with the center to center length, what will be the length of the DPC? Okay. So with the center to center length of 2.75, we have to subtract. See here, this short wall is connected on one side to a 30 centimeter wall and on the other side to a 20 centimeter wall. Clear? So from center to center length we have to subtract half of the width of the 20 centimeter wall and half of the width of the DPC over 30 centimeter wall. Clear? From the center to center line length, subtract half of the width of the DPC for the 20 centimeter wall as it is connected to a 20 centimeter wall on one side, and subtract half of the width of the DPC of the 30 centimeter wall as it is connected on one side to a 30 centimeter wall. So short wall, two numbers of short wall. So from the, in the remark column write down from the center to center length, from the center to center length of 2.75 subtract half of the width, that means 0.3 by 2 and minus 0.4 by 2. Clear? So 0.15 minus 0.2, so the length will become 2.4. Width is 0.3. As this is a 20 centimeter wall, therefore width of the DPC will become 0.3. Then by multiplying all this we will get the quantity as 1.44 square meter. Clear? Now we have completed the entire building. So we will add all these portions: drawing room long wall short wall, then bedroom combined long wall short wall, then bathroom rear wall short wall and veranda. So after adding all these we will get the total quantity as 28.67 square meter. But this is not the net quantity, as we have to deduct the openings, the door openings from the quantity. Okay. So in the next you have to deduct the door seals. So there are three type of door, D1, D2 and D3 with different dimension. So first we will go for the calculation of D1. So see here, there are 5 numbers of D1 type of door. One is here, second is here, this is the third one, this is the fourth one and this is the fifth one. So there are 5 numbers of D1 type of door. Then what is the dimension of this D1? So the dimensions of all type of door is given here. So D1 is of dimension 1.2 by 2.1. Clear? 1.2 by 2.1. That means if this is the elevation of a door, so this portion will become 1.2 and this is the 2.1. So for deduction purpose we have to subtract this side of the door. So the subtraction for this D1 will be 1.2 by 0.4. So for D1 door we have to subtract 1.2 by 0.4. So 1.2 is the length of the door and 0.4 is the width of the DPC. Okay. And these, mark one thing, these D1 doors are present in 30 centimeter wall only. So here the width of the plinth will become 0.4 and this dimension is the length of the door, that is 1.2. Okay. Now we will move to the details of measurement form. So in details of measurement form, this number is 5. D1 type of door, there are 5 numbers of D1 type of door. Length is 1.2, width is 0.4. Then by multiplying all these three, we will get the quantity as 2.88 square meter. Next we will move to D2 type of door. So see here, there are 3 numbers of D2 type of door. Okay, and all these doors are present in 30 centimeter wall. Then here you can see the dimension of this door. So this is of dimension 1 meter by 2 meter. So its length is 1 meter and height is 2 meter. So for calculation purpose we need the length, that is 1 meter, and width will be 0.4, that is the width of the plinth wall. So here door seal D2, this is not 2, this is 3. 3 numbers of D2 type of door are there. So length is 1, width is 0.4. Then by multiplying all these 3, we will get the quantity as 0.8 square meter. Next we will move to D3 type of door. So you can see here there are only 1 number of D3 type of door which is present in the 20 centimeter wall of bathroom. So for dimension of this D3, so here it is written as 7.75 meter by 1.8 meter. That means the length of this door is 0.75 meter and height is of 1.8 meter. But for deduction portion of DPC, we require this length of the door and the width of the plinth wall. So as it is present over 20 centimeter wall, so the plinth here, width of the plinth will become 0.3 meter. Clear? Now we will move to the details of measurement form. Here door seal, write down D3, number is 1, this is 5, this is 3. Okay. This is 1, dimension length is 0.75 and width of the plinth is 0.3. Then by multiplying these 3, we will get the quantity as 0.23 square meter. Okay. Then you have to add all these deduction. The total of deduction will become 3.91 square meter. Then from the total gross quantity of the DPC, this 28, from this 28.67 square meter, you have to subtract the total of deduction. Then you will get the final quantity of DPC, that is 24.76 square meter. So this is all about for today's class. In the next class, we will go for calculation of brick work in superstructure. Thank you.